If you have at least 2 digital products within Kajabi, like 2 courses or a membership site and a course, there is something you can do that is a very powerful, easy automation that you can set up inside Kajabi so that if somebody buys course A, you offer them a discount on course B, and it can all be automated. And these are people who have already bought from you, so there's a high likelihood that they're going to be willing to buy again. It's super easy to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up in this video. This is day 64 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. If you want to jump onto Kajabi, be sure to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get a 30-day free trial, 30 days to check it out, see if it's for you, see if you like it. You'll also get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. And then once you sign onto Kajabi, like you get through your free trial and you decide to become a member, I'm going to give you my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and the exact email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in its first 3 launches. I'm going to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because that is an affiliate link, so I do get a commission when you use it. So if you're going to jump onto Kajabi anyway, and you appreciate what we do here in this channel and it's helpful to you, then be sure to use my link. So I've started a new email sequence. What this is going to be for is when somebody purchases my course, Killer Sermons Academy, which is my flagship course, I'm going to have this automate so that it offers them my mini course, Preaching Jumpstart. And the way I'm going to do this is like it's its own mini launch to those people who bought the flagship course. So in my subject, I might say something like bonus gift just for you. And then in the email, it's going to say, hey, I want to give you this bonus video, which is actually a video from the mini course. I'm just going to pull one of those lessons and I'm going to put it on a page all by itself on my Kajabi site. Super easy to do. Just go to one of your landing pages, build a new page, and you can embed the video right there. No problem. I'm going to link to it in this email and say something like, I'm so glad you jumped into Killer Sermons Academy. I think it's going to be awesome for you. I have a bonus lesson just for you. This is something that is from actually another one of my courses, but I think it's really going to be helpful to you as you're in this journey. So click right here and you can watch it for free. That'll be the first email they get. Then the next day, and again, this is in a sequence, I'm going to send another email that's going to start a launch sequence for my mini course at a discount just for them. So it'll be like, hey, yesterday I gave you this bonus video from Preaching Jumpstart. Hope you enjoyed it. I want to offer it as my gift to you for half off, or 20, 30, 40% off, whatever the case. So this way, not only will you have Killer Sermons Academy, but you'll also have Preaching Jumpstart, and I'll give them 4 or 5 days to buy it. So how do we do this? The first step is to build the email sequence. So we're going to start there. The second step is we're going to actually build out the automation. So we're going to go over to automation and we're going to put in new automation. And what we want to do here is we're going to say when offer is purchased, and the offer we're going to put in here is Killer Sermons Academy. Now, I've got a lot of different ways I offer this, so I would actually put in each one of these, but for the purposes here, I'm just going to put in the main one, which is this one. So when this offer is purchased, and I can, by the way, I can keep adding more and more offers. It's super easy to do. That way it knows no matter what version of the course they buy, that is the trigger. So when this offer is purchased, then subscribe to an email sequence. And the email sequence is going to be the one that we just built, which is existing customer offer. Now we're going to add a condition, and this is really important because what I don't want to do is I don't want to offer a product to somebody who's already bought it. So I'm going to go to select filter, and I'm going to say does not own products, and I'm going to say does not own Preaching Jumpstart. So this is the automation. So you can see once we've built the email sequence, we put this together, and it is pretty hands-off from here because now anytime somebody comes in and buys my flagship course, they're going to be subscribed to an email sequence, and they're only going to be subscribed to that email sequence if they don't already own Preaching Jumpstart. So if I apply this, it's going to put all those conditions in there and I can save it, and that becomes a new automation. And then from there, I've just got to make sure that I have in the email sequence an unsubscribe trigger so that when they buy Preaching Jumpstart, they're dumped out of that email sequence and they go to the next sequence, which is actually a welcome sequence for that course. So I'll show you what that looks like. So these are unsubscribe triggers. This is actually a different sequence that I'm building, but I want to show you. I can go in here and I added when offer is purchased, so Preaching Jumpstart with eval plus Zoom call, or when this offer is purchased, Preaching Jumpstart Basic, they are unsubscribed from this sequence. And then when they buy those products, because of those automations that are set up, they're automatically subscribed to the welcome sequence. So all of this is why having one system is so convenient, because all of this is connected. So if I have an automation in one area, it applies to everything. So if there's an automation connected to the purchase of a course, for example, it's automatically connected to my email sequences. If that happens, it's automatically connected to my offers, and I don't have to do anything twice. All of it connects together. So that's the process, and I would highly recommend, if you have more products, when someone buys from you, even once, the likelihood that they'll purchase with you again is very high. So you might as well offer them what you've got so that they can know, okay, if I've already bought this, I might as well buy this other thing, because you've sweetened the pot, you've given them a little bit of a discount, and you've added some urgency so that they'll make a decision quicker. So that is my easy way to do this on Kajabi, and definitely give it a try, especially if you have more than one product. And if you're not on Kajabi yet, you definitely should jump on. You can use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments what questions you have. And at this point, check out this playlist right here where we'll talk more about Kajabi, and I'll answer even more questions you have about whether or not it's right for you. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.